Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are studying chemistry, then the periodic table should be your best friend. Mastering the atomic numbers and the atomic masses of the elements will give you a plus in mastering other aspects of chemistry, especially when it comes to calculation. In today's video, I will give you a very powerful trick that will help you master all the atomic masses for the first 20 elements of the periodic table. Forget all those endless memorization and confusion. Let's do this. Alright, so here is the magic formula trick. It's super straightforward and boils down to just two simple rules based on the element's atomic number. What is an atomic number? An atomic number corresponds to the position of the elements on the periodic table. For example, hydrogen occupies the first position on the periodic table, so its atomic number is 1. Another example, sodium. Sodium occupies the 11th position on the periodic table, so its atomic number is 11. Calcium occupies the 23rd position on the periodic table, and as such, its atomic number is 20. So using this trick, we need to know the atomic numbers of the elements on the periodic table. I guess that is not a problem for us. What is our rule number 1? It says if the atomic number is even, you just multiply it by 2. It is that simple. If the atomic number is even, you multiply by 2. Even numbers are multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on and so forth. Those are even numbers. Rule number 2. If the atomic number is odd, what do? We multiply by 2 and we add 1. I repeat again. If the atomic number is odd, we multiply by 2 and then we add 1. Simple, right? Now, let me repeat the trick again. Even atomic number we multiply by 2 and odd atomic numbers we multiply by 2 and then we add 1. This trick works for the majority of the elements for the first 20 elements on the periodic table. There are always exceptions to most of the rules we follow in life, and chemistry isn't left out. Chemistry wouldn't be chemistry without few exceptions, right? Good. So, for the first 20 elements, we have some 5 elements that do not perfectly follow our awesome trick. But don't worry, we have a super simple mnemonic to help you remember them. And what is it? We have it on the board. H. Ben Clar. H. Ben Clar. That is our mnemonic that will help us recall the 5 elements that do not perfectly follow our awesome trick. H stands for hydrogen, E stands for beryllium, N stands for nitrogen, Cl stands for chlorine, and Ar of course stands for argon. Now let's put our trick into test. Let's practicalize it. We have elements, we have atomic number, which is the number of protons or the position of the elements on the periodic table, and we have the mass number, which is what we'll be finding out today using our trick. Let's list the elements. We have hydrogen. We know that hydrogen is colored because it falls among one of the exceptions we had among the Ben Clar, among the H. Ben Clar. Beryllium same, nitrogen same. Let's start with the first 10 elements of the periodic table. We are starting with hydrogen. It occupies the first position on the periodic table, and as such, its atomic number is 1. The mass number of hydrogen is equally 1 because hydrogen is the only element on the periodic table with no neutrons. So its mass number is 1. The second element on the periodic table is helium with an atomic number of 2, meaning helium equally has 2 protons. What will be the mass number of helium? According to our trick, even numbers we multiply by 2. 2 is an even number, So we are going to multiply the atomic number by 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. So the atomic number of helium is 4. Let's move on to lithium, the third element on the periodic table. Its atomic number is 3. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So the mass number is 7. Beryllium. Beryllium is one of our exceptions, but we know that the exception only comes with mass numbers. The atomic number is 4 and the mass number is 9. That's higher than we expected, right? So we are going to continue with the trick, multiplying the even numbers by 2 and the odd numbers by 2 plus 1, while taking into consideration or taking special note with our exceptions. Let's do this together. Summarily, even atomic numbers we multiply by 2 and odd atomic numbers we multiply by 2 and then we add 1, with the exceptions of H, Ben, Cl, hydrogen, beryllium, nitrogen, chlorine and argon. This trick is fantastic to your quick calculations, estimate and confidence building. This method equally helps you to grab the fundamentals and even spot errors. Keep practicing and chemistry will be your next to nature. If this video has been helpful to you, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel for more amazing chemistry trick, and equally click on the notification bell so that you will get notified when we post videos of similar content. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.